Hey everyone, I just wanted to give you guys a quick range report after I took my Glock 22 RTF to the range for the first time. I've had this guy for about 2 weeks, just haven't been able to make it to the range to actually take it shooting. But in that time I've done a couple dry fire drills and just some practice drills to get myself used to the gun and the grip. This is the rough textured frame that Glock is using now, and it's quite different from the Gen 3s that I have my Glock 19 and Glock 27. So I was just trying to get used to it before we actually took it to the range for the first time, and just get familiar with it. Alright, I got this as a really good deal, so I couldn't really pass it up. I got the Glock 22 here along with a 9mm conversion barrel, basically turns it into the Glock 17, and I also got 3 Glock 17 mags along with it for the conversion, along with the standard 2 that the Glock comes with for 40. So I was really excited about that, picked it up, and just today we took it to the range for the first time. So we shot the 9mm first. It was a lot of fun. There wasn't much difference for the 9mm. The grip was very comfortable, very manageable. Both my girlfriend and I noticed that it really allowed us to grip the gun a lot more securely. It was a lot more control. We could control it a lot more. But however, once switching to the stock barrel, the 40 caliber barrel, I did notice that there was a slight amount of pain in the bottom of my palm here. You can actually still see some of the skin that's rubbed off onto the grip here after shooting. Now it wasn't too painful. I definitely got used to it towards the end of the shooting session, and over time as I go back and shoot it more and more, it'll just get easier and easier and it won't be an issue. But I did notice upon shooting it the first time, it was quite aggressive. It wasn't painful, but it was kind of irritating for the grip. Now, like I said again, for the 40 even more, it really allowed the firearm to lock into your grip and really get a good hold on it. So that was a very nice plus. Also has these different slide serrations here, which I really do enjoy. It really allows you to throw that slide in the battery much easier. But overall, I really have enjoyed it. It ran very smoothly. The the conversion barrel here for the 9mm did have a couple hiccups. We had 2 failure to feeds when my girlfriend was shooting it. After reviewing the video and talking about the techniques that she was using, we basically decided that it was just a limp wristing issue. It wasn't an issue from the firearm itself. And so when we go back the next time, I'll make sure that she's holding it properly, and hopefully we won't have any more of those problems. But with the stock barrel and when I was shooting it, no problems, ran very smooth. So overall, I've been very happy with it. Look forward to shooting it more, and just wanted to give you guys a quick range report.
And he's down.
Alright, I'll move over to the